My name is Muskan. I'm born and brought up in Kolkata. My hometown is Kontai. Then suddenly I decided to move to Bangalore for my college. ABPS 2023 October. My journey started with Indigo. You should be determined. You should be well prepared of your job role. Then only you understand. Then only you love your job. Right?
I welcome you to Changemakers for ABPS podcast. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much. Very good evening.
Before we get into the actual conversation, would you mind letting us know a bit about yourself, your journey so far, and also the work that you do?
Yes. First of all, my name is Muskan. I'm born and brought up in Kolkata. Like my hometown is Kontai. From nursery to class 12, I have studied in same school. So 15 years I was there. And then suddenly I decided to move to Bangalore for my college, which ABPS was producing that time, BB Aviation. No other colleges were having that grade.
Yeah.
It was around 2020 in lockdown time. So in Bangalore, under Bangalore University, ABBS was only having that opportunity of coming, like they were welcoming students to visit the campus in lockdown COVID time. So ABBS gave that platform to come and visit hostel, to come and see the campus and what are the process involved in the entire 3 years. I've come to Bangalore. I've seen the college, and then after 2 months I came to Bangalore permanently for my college. My college reopened during COVID time. In mid of 2020, it opened. So from there, BB Aviation, my career started from there. First sem, second sem, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all I have cleared like successfully without any backlogs. And then I got a college placement in Bangalore airport only in duty free, which I did for 5 months, and it started between my college only. Like my college was yet to over at fifth semester. Between fifth and sixth, they hired me. So I was not able to have the college wala fun, like going to college, bunking, and last few months in college. That last days I was missing, and going airport to my college was around 46 to 47 kilometers.
Oh my goodness.
So I just joined that just to do time pass. Like I was not interested also. So one random day I was like, shit, let me give up. I can't miss my college. I gave up my iCard. In office itself, I told from tomorrow I'll not come. Please do not call me. I was least interested to go there. And then HR told me, Muskan, you are doing like this without serving notice period. You will never ever get a job in airport. He told me this statement. I was a bit worried because I've studied BB aviation, and that was not my field. That was not in airline, not in, it was in airport, but the work culture was different. And I was scared because we involved airport entry pass before getting inside airport. We all need that pass, and that pass is very hectic wala thing. I had to surrender. So I went to surrender. He told me this, ki you will never ever get a job in airport if you're doing this. I said, okay, I'll manage. Let me just go. From there, college, then college ka last few programs, then graduation, one of the best graduation ABBS has given. Then I came home. After then, I'm a very social media freak, like reels, videos, photos. I love to take photos, not of me only. Like I love to take photos of others.
Aesthetic. Yeah.
Yeah, and videos. So Instagram pe suddenly I saw there was hiring going on for Indigo for ground staff. Okay, I had my braces, so I didn't apply for cabin crew that time. And my height is 5.6, which was my every criteria was matching cabin crew, but I had braces, so I thought of first joining into Indigo, as Indigo is India's biggest airline, covering most of the airports and 2,000 plus flights. That interview was going on a place named Durgapur in West Bengal. There is an airport. So I walked in there. It was like 600 kilometers from my home. Again, I traveled with my mother and I went for an interview. I gave my interview. Within 10 days, I got a mail from HR, like for document verification. Like I didn't get offer letter. I got the mail for document verification, like passport, whether I have passport or not, college degree certificate. I was not having college degree certificate because it was just 2 months my college got over.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I was having till fifth sem ka mark sheet. Even 6th sem also I didn't have. I was so scared. I was like, what if I don't have the certificates? No, what? Then I asked HR that I have screenshot of my mark sheet. Like result came out, I have screenshot. I have cleared all the semesters, no backlog. Will that work? He told, you just send, we will check and get back to you.
Yeah.
10-12 फिर सारा सर्टिफिकेट्स डालने के बाद अगेन आफ्टर 1 week I got a mail that you can come for medical test. Your documents are verified. You can come for medical test. Then I visited for medical test again. Again, one more palpitation was going on. Ki again, one more. Why they're not sending offer letter? Because it was getting crazy. And then 16th of October, I got a mail offer letter. I got that I have been selected for Durgapur only in security. So 2023 October, my journey started with Indigo. It's still continuing right now. I'm in Bangalore, again back to Bangalore. I was in Durgapur for almost 1.9 months. I mean, 1 year, 9 months. And then I came to Bangalore again. Right now, I'm in T2, taking care of international departures, security documents.
Wow.
Yeah, right now. So life is good.
We have known each other earlier so that I could have met you in airport itself.
You keep traveling, right? You'll keep coming to
Yeah.
Bangalore. Yes. No worries. And you know, Indigo operates Surat only.
Yes, of course. I mean, out of all the flights, at least one flight to travel, मतलब to and fro में Indigo होता ही है.
Indigo रहेगा because yeah, that's what it's India by Indigo, and we are connected to people.
Let's go back to the story and let's try to understand what sparked your journey into aviation, because there are multiple career options available. So
Yes.
out of all those, why aviation industry?
Okay, in that lockdown time, you know, you do lot of research. Then you started learning how to cook. Did you do that? Did you cook in lockdown?
Wow, I've done a lot of videos and reels also.
You have prepared dalgona coffee. Did you do that? Yeah. So all of that, after doing that, I was very restless person before, honestly. I got a lot of patience within me. Like घर पे रहना, because I used to have my scooty and go out evening every day. So घर पे रह के patient. Then suddenly I was wondering, I was student from commerce. 11, 12, I've taken commerce, and I was a topper in my school also. So in my home, they were like, study CA, like chartered accountant, and I was like, no, मुझे इतना पढ़ाई नहीं कर, मुझे बस पैसा चाहिए like that. And in my family is a business family, so I've seen business, money from child only. And one more thing, I love to travel. I love to travel places. तो मुझे इवेंट मैनेजमेंट करना था. इन देन इवेंट मैनेजमेंट आई वाज लाइक, नहीं मुझे तो ड्राइंग उतना अच्छे से आता नहीं है, एंड आई एम सो रेस्टलेस कि मुझे इतना डिजाइन वगैरह करना नहीं आएगा. तो क्या करूँ? देन आई वाज लाइक, ट्रैवल के लिए व्हाट इज द बेस्ट मोड ऑफ ट्रैवल? इट्स एविएशन. एंड मुझे ना थोड़ा सज धज के काम करना, आई फील गुड, लाइक गेटिंग ग्रूम. तो fascinating grooming, like planes used to fascinate me, traveling. And then when I got to know the inside things of getting into aviation industry, like if you get a job in an airline, like what are the benefits you get? And then you work in airport, you meet diversified culture of India and whole world. So I used to study about aviation industry, like how does just a body carrying 180 passengers flying, and it's very amazing. It's very, very magical thing. It's of course science. Out of the world is of course science. You know, we know roads in like vehicle are moving. We know the roads, like right we have to go, left we have to go, we have to stop, traffic is there. But in sky, how does it possible? Like how do they manage? I always wanted to know कि क्या बात होता है, pilots क्या बात करते कि उनको रास्ता कैसे पता होता है आसमान से? You can't even see that. So those things kept on haunting me कि मुझे ये जानना है, ये जानना है, ये जानना है. And then I went into aviation.
Now that you mentioned pilot and you were a topper at your schooling time, did you ever think कि मतलब pilot बन सकती है?
Yeah, I thought of getting into pilot, but pilot that time they wanted a background of science, and I was completely background of commerce, and like we need crores of money to become a pilot.
Absolutely, and I think during my days it was the same. situation.
Yeah.
I wanted to become a pilot, but just because of financial constraint, I couldn't do that.
Same. Not
So after 12, you have to do that course, and then you do not have a graduation degree also.
Exactly, and
Yeah.
you get license of pilot, and then you, after getting the license, you are not sure that whether you will get a job in an airline or not. You have
Yeah.
to keep trying, and then I was like, इतना कौन पढ़ाई करना होता तो मैं चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट भी बन जाती ना. मुझे इतना पढ़ाई नहीं करना है, मुझे सिंपल शॉर्ट पे रहना. बट नाउ आई एम थिंकिंग लाइक थोड़ा और पढ़ लेती तो सैलरी थोड़ा ज्यादा होता. लाइक जोक्स aside. But yeah, I like this ground mein na, we have little bit peace life which flying people don't have. Like evening for coming home. Again I know कि tomorrow 6 o'clock I have to get up. थोड़ा scheduled है मेरा, 2 week off है, Monday, Tuesday.
Right.
You can go anywhere you want. You can go home. You can take a leave whenever you want. You work. Flights है, काम करो. Flights नहीं है, काम मत करो. पढ़ना है, थोड़ा policies वगैरह जानना है, go. We have trainings also in iFly. There are like Delhi में iFly है, Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata. 4 metro cities are having training centers of Indigo. So
Right.
it's good.
Right. So now coming to training, so you have led teams and also trained new recruits. So I just want to
Yes.
know, like, how do you gain their trust? क्योंकि कई बार होता है like when you get new recruits and you have to train them, basically they
It's
do
very
not trust
difficult.
you. Yeah.
Honestly speaking, when I was a trainee, when I was in my initial period of joining, so in Durgapur, people were very helpful because they were using my mother tongue, that is Bengali. And it's a small station of 40 people only. So in a day, 20 to 25 people used to report. So they were like a family. So I always used to think कि I want to be senior, like at least my junior should respect me. But the teacher का बहुत रोल हम लोग बोलते ना, I want to become this miss, I want to become that sir, that's
Yeah.
मेरा
Yeah, because we also saw that respect. Like we have
Yes.
always given that respect and we have saw that.
Exactly. And when they used to teach me, like I used to make them go mad. I can't understand. I can't understand. Tell me. ऐसे करके I used to irritate them. Still, people used to bear with me कि no, Muskan, you are new. 3 months you have time. Ask how much ever you want. We will explain you. But don't do a mistake. One mistake of you, because we are the last chain point. Okay, securities are the
Yeah.
last point of contact. So one mistake of you and flight is closed, we can't help out. So whatever is there in your hand is still the doors are open.
Yeah.
There are so many things we need to learn. So from there, when I initially crossed 9 months after the new joinees came. Okay. So I'm very extrovert. I love talking to people. They used to make mistakes. They used to get hesitated, make mistakes. I used to take the initiative of taking them and briefing them कि क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, whom to approach. So those things na, my seniors used to notice, and even those people used to give feedback on my name कि मुस्कान मैम के पास ही सीखना है, मुस्कान मैम के पास में ही जाना, because I used to talk, play, like chill.
Yeah.
मजे करते हुए. I never used to scold them. I used to think if I scold them, like in my initial days, how they have treated me, I obviously they are new, they will be new, so I should treat equally to them so that when new joinees come, at least they be good to them.
Right.
So in that way, I used to make people sit with me break times में चाय कॉफी पीते पीते थोड़ा policies वगैरह का बात करना, and then flights delay हो रहा है तो that in meantime we used to talk about those, like that way only, making them थोड़ा entertain. किसी नहीं कि डांट के गुस्सा करके फिर उनके नाम पे complain. I usually avoid this कि complaining about people.
Yeah.
So if they are doing
Right.
mistake, I personally go to them and I try to rectify them. Ki you do this, it will be correct, so that no supervisors get to know. And if they get to know, you'll get a mail. So it won't do good, right? So change your behavior or change your approach or change your way of working. So I used to go to them personally and I used to say it to them. I used to build their trust also, and then I used to lead a team. They did very fantastic job. So
Absolutely. So how did ABPS shape your mindset as a change maker in aviation industry? How do you think that ABPS molded your entire journey?
ABBS, honestly, it was pathfinder, because aviation industry के बारे में knowledge मुझे थोड़ा सा 10% था. ABBS has given me 90% of course through theoretical knowledge, and हमारे जो faculties थे ना, तो they were aviation experienced. हाँ, सर थे वर्धन सर नाम करके, तो he already worked in aviation, so he used to share his experience and his exposure. और एक थे aeronautical engineering department के, he also used to share his experience. जान के I used to go to them personally, I used to learn from them, I used to attend all the workshops conducted by ABBS. Then I was brand ambassador of my department also. I represented ABBS in that one fair happens in विद्यापीठ करके एक फेयर होता था जहाँ पे सारे कॉलेज बैंगलोर का आते थे फॉर फेयर. सो आई रिप्रेजेंटेड माय कॉलेज देयर आल्सो. Exposure honestly I got from workshops and classroom of course. We used to make projects. Every semester we used to submit projects, and that was also in group, like about one airport, about one airline. So those projects helped me to search about one topic entirely. When you are doing a project, suppose for example, I got a
Yeah.
project on
I mean, you do
attack.
a lot of research while doing the project, so that really
Yes,
helps.
yes. For example, like God forbid, this Air India crash happened, right? So people who don't know what is aviation, they also know कि crash happened, plane टूट गया.
Yeah.
Okay, so how can you change their mindset? Like for example, I'm working for Air India. Okay, you are a passenger. Like you are a people, like you are a normal people standing in a shop. We are having tea together, drinking tea
Yeah.
together, and you are randomly talking about Air India crash की flight ये था वो था गंदा है नहीं था क्रैश हो गया फालतू का फ्लाइट है नहीं जाना है ये वो करके. Then I am a staff standing there. Like what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to say like थोड़ा तो डिफेंड करूंगी ना कि सर ऐसे ऐसे हुआ ऐसे हो सकता है. सारा फ्लाइट तो ऐसे नहीं होगा. यू कैन ट्रैवल विद एयर इंडिया ऑलमोस्ट इट्स अफोर्डेबल. तो ये सब थिंग्स ना यू डू व्हेन यू रिसर्च ऑन द टॉपिक, एंड व्हेन यू रिसर्च व्हेन you are given a task to do research, you do research. Okay, like normally you won't do that research. So college helped. I did
Absolutely.
projects
And
on
also,
college.
it really helps you to communicate. And when you are standing like in front of lakhs and lakhs of people who are
Exactly.
going into that airport on a daily basis, and if they're coming and interacting with you, you need to have some defense mechanism. Not only like when some crisis happens, also in regular days also.
Yes, personally, I feel when I stand in front of counter, I represent Indigo. People come, some 10% people will be there, like they will abuse you, they will scold you, they'll shout on you. I just feel like they're saying to my uniform, they're saying to my lanyard, not to me. They don't know me personally, right? They only know I'm
Yeah.
representing Indigo. So that thing
Absolutely.
comes when you individually try like effort of learning that or doing that. So that opportunity I got from ABBS because leadership workshop, speech का workshop, debate का workshop, ये सब कुछ I got from ABBS only because that stage fear वाला, stage exposure, everything that college only gave, and I used to participate. So I will suggest people of this semester or this generation, whoever is in ABBS now, please do participate in whatever they are conducting because see, first thing is you will get to bunk the class. So that is the best thing. Second thing, what will you do? Half an hour you will listen. 10-15 minutes you will feel bored, but you will listen, right? Some 10-20% will go inside your head. So
Yeah.
they will call you like the अभी तो सब कुछ active participation. Workshops are not like very boring now. Now they are participating like either ways, two-way it's participating. So I'll suggest you participate in all the workshops. Go for a speech, deliver your project in front of class. So that and all helped me to like shape my mind and all of that.
Yeah. So, what is that one lesson from your time at ABPS that still guides you today?
You should always be down to earth no matter how much success you get. You should always be down to earth. I feel
Right.
that, yes, because I don't know, I should say this or not. I think I have given my 110% to ABBS. Okay. So on the last day, on the day of graduation, every department gives you a award like best student of the year or something like that. So honestly speaking, I thought कि ये तो मुझे ही मिलेगा. मतलब because I was ambassador of BB Aviation. I used to take part in cultural events. I was topper in my class, and like no complaints in my name. Attendance 90%. ठीक है, सब कुछ set sorted था. ठीक है. On the day of graduation, I was like, ये तो मुझे ही मिलेगा, बेस्ट स्टूडेंट का अवार्ड मुझे ही मिलेगा. देन सडनली इट वाज लाइक BB एविएशन विन द टोल एंड द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट अवार्ड वाज XYZ and it was not Muskan Yasmin, and I was like, what? But I got a blank that day. Okay, and in front of the podium, in front of the stage, and I was sitting clapping for my friends, and I could not digest the fact that I am not the best yet. Like I had given all
Yeah.
my efforts, all my everything to. Then you know what happened? That scenario I still remember in my life. Whole class of 53 students. They were standing in front of me and they were clapping and they were like, "We will remember Muskan in our entire life. Maybe we forget the girl who is getting the prize, but we will remember you, Muskan. Just cheer up for her. You have done whatever to ABBS, that ABBS will surely remember." And I know I still have my photo in my college, which that girl doesn't have. But I know I wish her to be successful in life as well. She was also in Air India, I know. So she was also a friend of mine, like competitor, friend of mine. But that day taught me ki whenever you think you are best, you are like controlling yourself and comforting yourself into very closed area. Calm down. You know you were best. Keep it in you. Don't expect कि ये award से आपका best जो है ना वो award से detect होगा. ऐसे नहीं होगा.
Right. I could really relate to this because this happened to you during your college days, and this happened to me during my school days. Because when I was like, everything was perfect, my academics, my sports, everything was perfect, and I thought that I will be the captain. Not only me, entire class also thought. But suddenly I got to know that I'm the vice captain and not the captain. So the same feeling I was getting. And to compensate that, but because they thought that that was a mistake, my entire school thought that way. And to compensate that, they gave me the student of the year. That was a good gesture from their side. But then still,
Still
being
you have
the
that captain
yeah.
wala batch in school.
Yeah,
I know. So
absolutely. So, in aviation industry, what does being a security star and grooming star really mean?
see, aviation means in security का जो मतलब है ना वो है securing civil aviation, because we are taking care of civil aviation. ठीक
Okay.
है, बाकी का जो मतलब बाकी का जो टेक केयर हो रहा है वो तो एयर फोर्स, दे ऑल आर टेकिंग केयर, बट वी आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ सिविल एविएशन एंड सिक्योरिटी. मतलब आई से यस, फ्लाइट विल
Mhm.
गो. आई से बॉम्ब इज देयर, फ्लाइट विल नेवर गो.
Yeah.
Okay, so my smile
Responsibility
matters.
to this level. Yeah.
Yes, my walking matters. My talking with my colleague in flight matters. How am I doing my work in flight matters, because पहले तो कस्टमर सर्विस स्टाफ हैंडल करते हैं. ठीक है, टिल बोर्डिंग गेट कस्टमर सर्विस स्टाफ टेक केयर ऑफ यू. वंस यू क्रॉस द गेट, लाइक यू आर बाउंड, यू कांट गो बैक. टिल बोर्डिंग गेट अगर आपका फ्लाइट मिस होता है, यू आर सपोज टू गो आउट. After boarding gate, you are not there are less chance, until unless you fall down, there are less chances of getting you back outside to the city. So from there security starts. Okay, one security breach can take down the flight down. So we are called as the last chain of contact. Okay.
Right.
We are dependent on each other. Like every department is dependent on each other, but we are the last point of contact where passengers are entirely depending on our work. Okay. Right now, I'll give you an example. Just for 2 minutes, we are doing documents check. Okay. So there are very high profile passengers and very low profile passengers traveling to Dubai for job. You know, very low profile people,
Yeah.
they travel to Dubai for job. So I failed to profile him. Like he is looking very high profile, but he's not having money. He's not having return ticket, and I failed to profile him. मुझे देख के लगा बड़े लोग नहीं देते. अब now he has went out of India. Dubai immigration has stopped him because he's not having money. He's not having return ticket, and he's not able to speak only. Like he's fumbling. So he's carrying a fake ticket and all. And that passenger, he will be not allowed to get inside Dubai. From there, he'll be sent back to India. and 2 to 3 lakhs of penalty in Indigo Airlines.
Yeah.
Who has done it? Muskan. So, you know what is going to happen after that. So, these are the consequences you can face in security.
Right.
Very alert and very, very sensitive. My job role is very sensitive and I have to be alert all time. All time. I can't assume things. Security can't assume things. If you are not sure, stop. If you are sure, then allow. It's just like
Yeah.
that.
So at the same time, you cannot, I mean, some situations are like that. You cannot help also. But
Yes.
but it should not be like
Sometimes I feel pity. I do feel bad because those people have struggled their entire life and struggled all the money to the agents to come back to Dubai and get a job. But for their betterment only, I have to stop them and not allow them to go
absolutely
outside India. So sometimes I have to be strict and
right.
sometimes I have to be polite also. But that's how life goes on in Indigo. It's okay.
Yeah. So, what would be your one piece of advice for students who would like to enter into aviation industry?
One piece of advice would be very much डिटरमाइंड इनटू एविएशन. ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब सब जा रहे हैं भी मुझे भी जाना है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. Okay, very determined about aviation because it's a 24/7 hours job role. Flights don't fly in the day and like airports are not closed at night. It's like hospital always open. And first for freshers, I will advise that they should not think of salary. They should first think of the job. They should get an experience of a job at least for 1 year and then they can think for salary. They can think for switching to a better company. Okay. But for instance, they should know the theoretical knowledge of what they are going to do.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं कि I have studied like arts, like I'm studying psychology and मुझे psychology में कुछ कि I'm going to aviation, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You should be determined. You should be well prepared of your job role. Then only you understand, then only you love your job, right? If you don't love your job, you can't. See, right now, if I ask you, 4 बजे तुम्हारा ड्यूटी है, मेकअप करके 4 बजे रेडी हो जाओ, I'll come to pick up. Will you come with me? आपका 4:30 बजे अर्ली मॉर्निंग इंटरव्यू है. टुडे इफ आई से यू आपका 4:30 बजे इंटरव्यू, आप रेडी होके आ जाओ मेरे पास. Will you come? Will you come? Obviously no, right?
Yeah.
It's not easy getting up early morning, getting up midnight, sacrificing your sleep and going. It's really not easy because grasses look greener on the other side. But then, yeah, you should have that passion. You should earn some experience and then you can think of salary.
Right. Also, that is applicable to any industry you go to. You have to be passionate. Then only,
Yes.
and you have to passionate at the same time. You have to be patient for some years at least.
Yes.
So-
You can't think of getting 1 lakh in the first day of your joining, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't happen like that.
All right. It was really an insightful conversation, and thank you so much for joining us in today.